Who'd have ever thought that frozen pizza would be good for your digestive system? Sounds kind of crazy, right? Yeah, I'm Thomas DeLauer with Cali'flour Foods, and I've got some interesting stuff to tell you. And this is all based upon a brand spanking new study that came out just a couple weeks ago in 2019. Okay, talking about how ketone bodies, okay, what are created when we're in ketosis or eating a low carb diet, can actually double the rate of stem cells in our intestinal tract. What that means is that if we have any kind of digestive damage, maybe from years of eating unhealthy, or maybe from irritable bowel syndrome or anything like that, it can effectively have a stronger healing process by being exposed to ketones. Ketones are seeming to change, even at the genetic level, how our gut restores itself, how the cells reproduce. So if we have more gut stem cells, it means we have more opportunities to create new, healthy gut cells in our gut lining and just in our gut in general, therefore helping out our digestive process. And now that Cali'flour Foods has full-on frozen pizzas, not just crusts, all the legwork's out of the equation, so you can be on your way to a healthy gut with food that tastes good, food that's convenient, and food that fits into a ketogenic lifestyle. So make sure you check out Cali'flour Foods' brand spanking new frozen pizza varieties. It's going to change the world and change the way that you keto.